Since birth, the world tried to make you doubt yourself. You were told trading was risky, that only the lucky would win. But deep down, you've always known you're not here to play it safe. You're here to become a weapon. Today, we silence the noise. Today, you remember who you are. I am calm under pressure. I am a sniper. I do not chase. I trade with clarity, confidence, and control. I do not fear losses. Losses sharpen my edge. I detach from outcomes. I master the process. I follow my system with discipline and precision. I am not emotional. I am the execution. My subconscious is aligned with success. My trading mind is clean, focused, and present. I do not force trades. I wait. I watch. I strike. I trust my edge. I trust myself. I see the chart. I feel the shift. I take the trade. I am a professional. I am consistent. I trade like a machine, but I feel like a king. My identity is locked in. I am a flow state trader. I am the inner edge. God is with me. Flow is within me. Now mute the noise and go handle your business.